Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management, where we dive into all things health, wellness, and lifestyle. Today we're exploring 6 different diets. We'll break down the pros and cons of each diet, what the science says, and what you should consider before jumping in, because the best diet for you is the one you can stick with, and that makes you feel your best. Let's get started. First up, Chapter 1, the keto diet. This high-fat, low-carb diet has taken the world by storm. The idea is to drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake and replace it with healthy fats, putting your body into ketosis. One of the biggest draws of the keto diet is its potential for rapid weight loss. By switching your body's primary fuel source from carbs to fat, you're essentially turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Another benefit is its impact on blood sugar control, making it a promising option for people with type 2 diabetes. But like any diet, keto has its downsides too. It's a pretty restrictive diet. Say goodbye to bread, pasta, rice, and even most fruits. The dreaded keto flu is a common experience in the early stages, with symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and nausea. And while these usually subside within a week or two, they can be pretty unpleasant. Long-term sustainability can be challenging, especially in social situations or when traveling. Take Sarah, for example. She lost 20 pounds in 2 months on keto but found it difficult to maintain during social gatherings. So the bottom line is this. Keto can be effective for weight loss and blood sugar control but requires commitment and planning. If you love your carbs, keto might feel like climbing Mount Everest barefoot. Next, let's talk about Chapter 2, the vegan diet. This one's all about embracing a plant-based lifestyle. No meat, poultry, fish, dairy, or eggs. One of the most well-documented benefits of a vegan diet is its positive impact on heart health. Studies have shown that vegans tend to have lower cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and a reduced risk of heart disease. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all crucial for overall health. Another major pro of veganism is its eco-friendliness, significantly reducing your environmental footprint. But there are potential drawbacks like the risk of nutrient deficiencies in vitamin B12, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium. A well-planned vegan diet that includes fortified foods and supplements can provide all the nutrients you need. Another challenge is the social aspect. Eating out or attending family gatherings can be tricky. Meet John, who went vegan a year ago. He loves the energy boost and feels great ethically, but has to plan meals carefully. So, the takeaway is that a vegan diet can be beneficial for your health and the planet, but requires careful planning. It's great for the planet, but make sure you're balancing those nutrients. Now Chapter 3, intermittent fasting. This one's about when you eat, not what you eat. The basic premise is to cycle between periods of eating and fasting on a regular schedule. Popular methods include the 16-8 method and the 5-2 method. One of the biggest benefits of intermittent fasting is its flexibility. Unlike many diets, it focuses on when you eat, giving you more freedom in terms of food choices. Another major plus is its potential for weight management and positive impact on metabolism and hormone regulation. But there are downsides, like hunger pangs, especially in the beginning. It's also not suitable for everyone, including people with diabetes, eating disorders, or pregnant or breastfeeding women. Lisa, a busy mom, tried the 16-8 method and loved its simplicity, but struggled with morning workouts on an empty stomach. So, the bottom line is this. Intermittent fasting can be effective for weight management but isn't a magic bullet. Listen to your body, choose a method that fits your lifestyle, and consult with your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. If you're not a breakfast person, this might be your jam. Let's journey back in time for Chapter 4, the paleo diet, also known as the caveman diet. This way of eating mimics the habits of our Paleolithic ancestors, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. The diet includes lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, while processed foods, grains, dairy, legumes, and refined sugars are off limits. One of the biggest draws of the paleo diet is its emphasis on natural foods. By ditching processed foods, you're flooding your body with nutrient-dense, whole foods. Another potential benefit is improved digestion, as cutting out grains, legumes, and dairy can reduce bloating and gas. But the paleo diet has its challenges, like its restrictiveness and cost. Grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and organic produce can be expensive. Mark, a fitness enthusiast, loves the clean eating focus but has noticed higher grocery bills and more time spent meal prepping. So the bottom line is this: the paleo diet can be healthy and sustainable but requires commitment and planning. It's back to basics with paleo, but is it practical for today's lifestyle? Get ready for a culinary journey to the Mediterranean for Chapter 5, the Mediterranean diet. This way of eating is inspired by the traditional dietary patterns of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Unlike some other diets, the Mediterranean diet isn't about strict rules or restrictions. It emphasizes fresh, whole foods, flavorful meals, and a balanced approach to eating. The diet includes lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like olive oil. Fish and seafood are enjoyed a couple of times a week, while poultry and eggs are included in moderation. Red meat and sweets are saved for special occasions. One of the biggest draws is its well-documented benefits for heart health and overall well-being. Studies have linked the Mediterranean diet to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and even depression. Maria, a busy professional, adopted the Mediterranean diet for her high cholesterol and noticed significant improvements in her health. However, she finds it challenging to stick to the diet when eating out or traveling for work. So the bottom line is this: the Mediterranean diet is a delicious and nutritious way of eating that offers a wide range of health benefits. And finally, Chapter 6, the Flexitarian diet. This approach to eating is all about flexibility and finding a balance that works for you. It's essentially a plant-based diet with a side of flexibility, allowing for the occasional indulgence in meat or other animal products. The beauty of the flexitarian diet is that there are no hard and fast rules. It focuses on plant-based foods, while allowing the freedom to enjoy meat, poultry, fish, or dairy in moderation. One of the biggest pros is its balanced approach, allowing you to reap the health and environmental benefits of a plant-based diet without feeling deprived. Another major plus is its eco-friendliness, reducing your impact on the environment. But there are potential downsides, like its lack of structure, which can make it challenging to know where to start. Emma, a college student, loves the flexibility, but sometimes struggles with meal planning and ensuring she's getting enough protein. So the bottom line is this: the flexitarian diet is a great option for people who want to eat healthier and reduce their environmental impact without giving up meat entirely. It's all about finding a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. A little flexibility goes a long way. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of 6 popular diets. Remember, the best diet is the one that fits your lifestyle, meets your nutritional needs, and makes you feel good. It's not about perfection or deprivation, but about finding a sustainable way of eating that nourishes your body and supports your overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.